So we're in the later half of his swim. Hi. He's doing 20 minutes the first time, just so he can pretty much get used to it, used to me, used to the environment. He's so much more comfortable going around the outside now. Oh, and that's his first shake. He's already given me his first big burp. Tail is up. He's taking in his surroundings. He'll go both ways in the shallows now. He's totally focused on the room. Good job. Picking up speed. What do you think? Oh, come on. Very good. Good job. Good job. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. You ready? Never did? Good, good, good. Okay, good. I know, we're going to go upstairs. Good job. Good job. Oh, yeah, Good job. Good job. Oh, that's slippery over there. Careful. Even when he got out of the water, that was huge. When he got out of the water on the steps by himself, he could have easily just gotten right out of the pool, but he chose to continue to take his laps. So he's liking it. He's getting used to it. Good job. And boy, is he getting tired. Him doing his constant laps is totally all right. It's getting him tired. It's getting him used to the water. He's splashing himself. Every now and then he's sticking his head in to kind of check out the toys that we have around. Oh, very good. Very good. Come here. Keep going, keep going. Yay! Good job, Niko. I know. You ready? One more time. We're going to dip one more time. Tail is still up. Nice and relaxed. All right. Oh, it's okay. I'm going to let you go. I'm going to let you go. Good job. Yay! Good job, Niko. Very good. Good shake. Good shake. Come on. Come on. Very good. We have yet to find his favorite toy. We're about to throw his ball in. Ready? You can come out. Good job. Tail's wagging. Good job. Good job. Yay! Yay, Niko! Niko, what's this? Niko, is this your ball? Is this your ball? 100% more relaxed than when he first came in, which is great. Oh, is this yours? Let's go. Come on, let's go get it. Right in by himself. He no longer is being held on by anything. Ooh. What's this? Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go get it. Go get it, Nick. Oh, it's not out there. What a great job, Niko. He was totally into the ball, which is only going to make it easier for next time. Oh, what's that? Come on. Come on. Good job. You want to get dried off? Come on. Yeah. Very good. Give me that butt wag. Very nice. Good job, Niko. I am so proud. I am so proud. Oh, butt scratches, butt scratches. I am so proud. See, we're going to be friends, bud.